This will be 2 minutes hypopressives to lift your pelvic floor and to tone your deep core for a flatter belly. If you don't know the hypopressive breathing technique and the stomach vacuum, just click on the link in the first comment. Open your feet to hip distance. Feet are parallel. Keep your pelvis in a neutral position. Grow from the top of your head, shoulders are relaxed and open them to the side. Arms go in a hexagon, palms facing the ground. Inhale through the nose, opening your rib cage. And exhale gently through the mouth. Inhale. Exhale gently, slowly. Inhale, open the rib cage. Exhale, hold your breath, and slowly open the rib cage without air. And open your arms to the side. With this opening the rib cage even more, relax the shoulders, pull the hands to the side. And inhale. Exhale, we return with the arms to mid position in a hexagon. Inhale, open the rib cage. Exhale gently through the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Hold your breath. And open the rib cage without air. And open the arms to the sides. With this opening the rib cage more, keep growing from the top of your head, elongating your spine. And inhale. And for the exhalation, we return with the arms to high position. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, open the rib cage. Exhale. Hold your breath. And slowly open the rib cage. And open the arms with this opening the rib cage even more. Grow nicely from the top of your head. And inhale. And for the exhalation, we return with the arms. Lower your arms, relax a little bit. Very well done.